Works with Alexa for voice control, hub required, Alexa device and hub sold separately. Touchscreen keypad and lock cylinder on exterior and thumb turn interior. Door thickness range is 1.37 to 1.75 standard. Stores up to 30 personalized user codes at a time. Built-in alarm with 3 alert settings. Battery uses 4AA alkaline batteries. Exterior dimensions 3x5x1 inches. Interior dimensions 3x8x2 inches. Z-Wave technology connects to your home automation system and lets you lock or unlock your door remotely via the web or smartphone.Volts 6V. Battery operated and fits standard door prep. ANSI Grade 1 highest residential security. Durable resistive touchscreen with matte finish to protect against fingerprints and smudges.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,